Alright, today we are going to be unboxing this wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get into it.
I pull up, step in the kitchen, let's go. Brand new Lamborghini.
Okay, so I'm gonna read this box. Okay, it says for Porpera, PS4, Xbox One, PS3, and PC.
Perfect.
It's a racing wheel, GS 500. Comes with a shifter. It also comes with wheel pedals. Comes with a steering wheel. Comes with it all. Okay, Nate, let's start up this. You will get the other watch. Yep, we're gonna need that.
No, you got.
Yes, you do.
No,
No, that's how you rip the box, kid.
Damn it. This is Danny's fault.
My fault. Move.
Oh, sorry.
Skilled.
Not skilled. Alright.
No, move. You gotta move.
Oh, what?
You cut a box like this. I won't poison you. Okay, let's open all these. Okay, so it comes with
Instructions that you don't need.
it comes with a cord, which seems to be something this is what I charge my camera with.
Oh, thank you for letting me use your camera.
Where'd you put the cord?
Ooh, damn.
There's the pedals. Has nothing else.
Yeah, it has a wheel too.
What are we gonna do this?
I guess we gotta unwrap.
Okay, well we'll do the wrap first.
Ooh,
Close this.
hot.
Yo, this is how you break something. Be slow.
Ooh,
It's got a nice texture.
shifter. Here, shifter.
Watch.
It's rubber. Up there.
Yeah, the shifter is really weird. Not gonna lie. Just less movement.
No
The
reason.
wheel is really freaking nice.
Nicer than Danny's because he didn't
Wait,
have
you're
one.
in the camera. They can't see. No, move, dude. Okay, there we go. So it comes with this little instruction. Comes with these little instructions on how to use it. Nathan, what do you...
Trying to.
It shows you how to plug it in and all that crap.
Got some good rubber stuff.
Comes with the back pedals too.
Those aren't back pedals.
Yes, these are.
Those are. I'll just show you. You see how there's like L1 and R1? These are the R2s and RL.
Back pedals. They're on the back of your steering wheel.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
Alright, let's see. Oh, these are a bit small, but
Why does this take Wi-Fi?
oh wait.
What?
Big issue.
Wait, Danny, I know where that goes.
This is an Ethernet port.
Mm-mm.
Yes, it is. Same
Then
thing.
why does this have an internet port?
Yeah, that's just where it goes.
Okay, so we have to have internet?
Okay. So let's set this
Oh,
up.
it has stickers.
As you can see, it works. Nathan's using it in his room.
I'm bad.
So yeah, and I didn't feel like recording his gameplay. So yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. Bye.